Hi, in front of me is POCO C55 and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Launcher iOS 16 from Launcher Studio developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now hit Get Started. Tap on I agree to terms and conditions. And then select Continue twice. Following that, select while using the app and allow in all pop-ups. Close and add. And manage all of those options however you want to. When you finished, hit Set as Default at the top and tap on iOS Launcher. As you can see, after that mine was successfully applied. If you wish to go back to your default one, access the same Launcher app. Tap on Set as Default at the top and click on POCO One. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!